Are you considering your first Brazilian wax? You're not alone if you feel overwhelmed. Curiosity and hesitation are completely normal. At MTH Health, we emphasize preparation for an exceptional self-care experience. A Brazilian wax is a grooming procedure offering weeks of smooth, clean results. For the best experience, ensure your hair is at least a quarter-inch long. Short hair makes it difficult for the wax to grip properly, leading to uneven results. Preparation starts 48 hours prior with gentle exfoliation. This removes dead skin, helping the wax reach the hair roots. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water before your appointment. Hydrated skin allows for a smoother hair removal process. Avoid caffeine or energy drinks on the day of your appointment. Stimulants can heighten skin sensitivity, making waxing feel more intense. Timing matters. Try not to schedule your appointment during your menstrual cycle. Your body may be more sensitive then. Wear breathable, loose-fitting cotton clothing to your appointment. Loose garments reduce friction and allow your skin to breathe. Remember, your esthetician is highly trained and prioritizes your comfort. The session begins with a professional cleanser to prep the area. A pre-wax oil creates a protective barrier on your skin. Quality salons typically use hard wax, gentler on sensitive areas. Hard wax adheres only to hair, not skin, reducing discomfort significantly. Manage sensations by practicing controlled, deep breathing. Tensing your muscles can make it harder. Focus on slow, steady exhales. Most waxing sessions take just 15 to 20 minutes. After waxing, a soothing post-wax oil nourishes your skin. The next 48 hours are crucial for post-wax aftercare. Your pores are open and extra sensitive, so avoid intense workouts or public pools for 2 days. Lukewarm showers are best. Avoid hot baths to keep your skin calm. Apply fragrance-free aloe vera gel for temporary redness relief. Skipping heavy perfumes, scented soaps, or harsh chemicals is also important. Avoid any friction for the first 24 hours. After 3 days, you can gently exfoliate to keep your skin glowing. Consistency is key. Regular visits lead to thinner, softer hair growth. Avoid using a razor between appointments. Shaving causes hair to become coarse, increasing discomfort later. Many professionals recommend maintenance every 4 to 6 weeks. By following this guide, you're ensuring premium results. Always ask your esthetician about their wax ingredients. A premium experience rests on transparency and quality products. If you have sensitive skin, inform your specialist. Remember, a Brazilian wax invests in your comfort and confidence. The result is weeks of smooth skin without daily maintenance. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Join our MTH Health community dedicated to high-quality wellness insights. For more health and self-care content, subscribe to our channel. Turn on notifications to stay updated with expert health guides. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your new skincare routine.